Well, hey guys, here we are back on the 35 Chevy. Yes, sir. Getting this thing ready for the final bit of paint work. Had a few chips and some stuff, a mishap with a door pin flying out of a hinge. Yeah, stuff like that. Just accidents happen. In the past few videos on the car, we've been working on getting this hood to fit and got the hood to fit, got it all painted in previous footage. And in this video, we're fixing this cowl area. The actual cowl vent was painted separate from the body of the car, and the color was slightly off. So I want to fix that. The chips, little stuff on this edge where we had so much trouble fitting that hood. Um, Doing all my masking. The car's all covered up with plastic. You know that we are not painting that complete roof. We're actually going to melt the clear in on the A pillars there. Just an old collision repair kind of trick. And I believe it'll be great on this car. I backmasked out of the door jambs and going around the windshield, getting it all taped up, sealed up tight, and then we'll clean it with wax and grease remover, make us a little bit of sealer, and continue on with the base coat, finish out with the clear. And hey, at the end of the video, well, you just have to stick around and see what happens there. So we're getting it done. I'm gonna do a little faster time lapse here of us getting this sealed up with. All right, so sealed up tight, and if you guys see something you do different, leave me a comment. If you like what I've done here, hey, let me know. And hey, if this video sucks, yeah, include that also. So I'm just gonna bow out here, stop talking so much so we can get the work done. Come in here on top of my sealer. I've hit it with a little bit of 1000 grit to knock down all the overspray. Now I'm gonna go out here and mix up some blue base coat. Hopefully I don't spill it all over myself. And then we'll come back in and we'll spot this stuff in and blend our base out.
Picks up as the tires roll down the gravel road, clouds of gold. Rusty hot rod engines roar, freedom waits on the ride, once more. Sunsets, firelights, the tree line, radio plays those tunes divine. Skies wide open, endless lane, leave behind the town's old chain. Rusty hot rod, let it fly, wind in our hair, touching the sky, cruising down this country street in the rear view, small town dreams.
Blowing it, tacking it off. If you stay on this side, I'm going to go over there, load tack, and I'll start clearing here and come over that way. That's all that is. Then the next coat of clear, I'll go all the way up to the edge of where I sanded and then melt it in again. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to start right here. Before I go to the other side, grab that can of spray. Thank you. Ah! Do the other side, and then we'll let that evaporate, come back and check it out. sure. Gotta do that. Tiny little spot right there. Alright, I'm gonna let that slide. Oh, the scary part. I feel pretty good that I can shove it in by hand that far. Cut them to the proper length and put them in. Got it? Do we have any of that antique-y looking white left back there? There you go. There you go. Let me grab the paint gun out of my office. We will need, you can just take masking paper and like stick it in one time. Thank you.
Cheryl? Yeah.
So we might have to have you like push up in the very middle of that. Crawl to the front. There we go. Ow, fingers.
Died.
No, it didn't. If the red light's flashing, it's still reporting. Holy cow. Mercy. Yay! Hey, looks good. Thank you guys so much.